Hey there, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And happy Sunday, by the way, because I'm doing this voiceover on a Sunday. These nails are from SHEIN, and I'm gonna be reviewing three different designs. The first ones I have over here, as you can see on the picture, are short almond with Frenchies, and that is the current price. There are 240 nails included in this pack. I chose Frenchies because you cannot even imagine how hard it is to create Frenchies. It's extremely hard. The material, as you can see here, is nice and flexible. I like nails that are on a strip as well because when it comes to choose my sizes, I find it easier to do it this way. And as well, the length is so convenient for everyday life. These ones as well are semi-transparent. You will be able to apply these nails with gel like the Gel X system. And then I'm gonna move on to the next set. These ones again are almond shaped with a Frenchie. The only difference is that these ones are completely clear. This for sure will make it easier to apply them with gel. Let's see how these nails feel. They actually feel very sturdy. They are thinner towards the cuticle area and stronger towards the free edge. And I like how clear they are. They're so nice. For sure, full cover nail tips have come a long way. Now you can buy them already like this, pre-colored or pre-shaped, which is very nice and will make our job easier. And if you prep your natural nail very well and the full cover nail tip, they actually last a long time. I have used them before and they're so good. And the last package I have for today, they are from the same brand, Nail Kingdom. And you can buy these ones in white as well, but I purchased these ones in black with a Frenchie and a very cute heart design. If I have to do this myself, I will probably be the whole day drawing this. So that's why I like that these nails now they come pre-painted. And from here, I can always customize them a little bit further if I want to, like applying maybe rhinestones and other kind of designs. These ones are as well semi-transparent, so you can apply them with gel glue, and they feel really nice. They feel really thin and look really thin towards the cuticle area and very sturdy towards the free edge. For this video, I'm gonna be using the short almond, and I'm going to apply them with the Pillows base gel from Macar. This Pillows base gel needs curing, so it's gonna act exactly as a glue gel. I'm just gonna buff the shine from my natural nails a little bit, but I'm not going to use a dehydrator and primer because I won't keep these nails for long. I'm just removing the dust from the nails right now, and this is the base gel I'm gonna be using. When I'm choosing my sizes, I like to make sure that the nails fit me properly from side wall to side wall, and that will be the widest part of my nail. These nail tips are kind of rounded around the cuticle area, which I like because my natural cuticles are like that as well. So I don't have to do a lot of customizing with my nail files, so they will fit very nice on my natural nails. Then I apply an even layer inside the nail tip, and then I squeeze a little bit extra near the cuticle area. Then I lower my nail to a 45-degree angle near the cuticle area, and when I see the gel moving towards the free edge, I flash cure for about 10 to 15 seconds under my portable UV lamp. But if I need more gel or I put too much, I remove the nail and I make adjustments. I will put a little bit more or take off some. And once I complete my full hand, I'm gonna cure it for an extra 60 seconds under my full-size UV lamp. You can leave the nails like this if you're happy with it, but apply a top coat for sure because the Frenchie that is painted here, it feels very fragile. It's gonna coming off very easy if you leave the nails just like this. I went around the cuticle area with my nail file just to remove some spillage. This one came out very easy because it's just a peel-off paste gel. But you can for sure do the same with a regular glue gel. Just take your time with it because sometimes nail files are very sharp and I have cut myself around the cuticle area before, so I know. I'm going to decorate the nails a little bit and I'll come back with the final result. I was doing these tiny flowers and it took me like 2 to 3 times to get it right. Even though it's just a simple flower with a dotting tool. But sometimes because I'm using my left hand, it's a little bit harder for me to do some drawing or some kind of designs. Sometimes it's just easier just to buy some stickers and put it on. But I had to do this with gel, so this is what happens. And once I complete everything, I apply top coat, and this is the final result for today. They came out really cute and I'm very happy with the results. In another future videos, I'm gonna be using the other nail tips so you guys can see how they look. I just wanna say thank you for being here and watching my video. I hope you have a beautiful day today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, thank you so much again.